Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech AI. Today, I'm going to share with you 7 essential settings in Windows 10 that you should tweak right away to optimize your PC experience. Let's dive in. Number 1. Enable system protection or create a restore point. Search for Restore Point in the Windows search box. Launch Create a Restore Point from the results. You should see a list of available drives. Select the system drive and click Configure. The system drive is usually the C drive. Toggle restore settings to turn on system protection. Set the maximum disk space usage by moving the slider and click OK. I recommend leaving 2 or 3% for restore points, but you may be able to get away with 1%. Click Create so that you create an initial restore point right away. Name the initial restore point when prompted. Click Close when it is done. Number 2. Show file extensions and hidden files. Navigate to the Control Panel. You can get there by searching Control Panel in Search Box. Open File Explorer options. Navigate to the View tab. Toggle Hidden Files and Folders to show hidden files, folders, and drives. Uncheck Hide Empty Drives. Hide extensions for known file types, and hide protected operating system files. Click Yes when warned about unhiding protected files. Click OK. Number 3. Disable user account control. You can always stop the annoying dialog boxes by disabling them. First search for user account control in the search box, then open Change User Account Control Settings. Slide the slider down to Never Notify and click OK. Click Yes when prompted. Number 4. Disable the lock screen. To unlock your computer, you have to dismiss the lock screen and then enter your password or PIN on the login screen. To skip this step, follow these instructions. Open the registry editor. You can do that by typing regedit into the run box. Navigate to HK Local Maschinen Software at Policies, Microsoft YUL Windows. Create a registry key called Personalization by right-clicking in the right pane and selecting Key. Create a new doored value within the personalization key and name it No Lock Screen. Set No Lock Screen to 1. You set the value by double-clicking on No Lock Screen, entering the number, and clicking OK. Number 5. Change your default browser. In Windows 10, usually the default browser is Microsoft Edge. If you are a Chrome user, you'll want to change your default. So first, navigate to Settings. Click Apps. Select Default Apps from the left pane. Click the web browser. Select the browser you want as your new default, for example, Chrome. Number 6. Delete the Windows old folder. Navigate to the Control Panel by searching it in Search Bar. Open Administrative Tools. Launch Disk Cleanup. Click OK, making sure that the C drive is selected. Click Clean Up System Files. Click OK again. Check all the boxes on the Files to Delete menu. Click OK, click Delete Files. It will take a couple of minutes to complete the deletion process. Number 7. Speed up your shutdowns. Open Regedit by hitting Windows+R and typing Regedit into the box. Navigate to HK Local Maschinen System, Current Control Set Control. Open Wait to Kill Service Timeout. Set the value to 2000 and click OK. Navigate to HK Current User Ren Control Panel Desktop. Create a string value and name it Wait to Kill App Timeout. You can create a string value by right-clicking in the right pane and selecting New String Value. Open Wait to Kill App Timeout and set it to 2000. Create a string value called Hung App Timeout and set it to 2000. Create another sting called Auto End Tasks and set it to 1. That's all. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.